Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I'm very excited to be doing another Makies doll collab. I love these little Makies dolls, and the ladies involved in this collab are, oh, they're just YouTube's best. Not only are they the nicest people on YouTube, they're so crafty, creative, and they're so beautifully. And those ladies are Joni from Joni's Dolls Photography, Jay from J Dolls UK, Dory from Dory's Dollies, Penny from Playful Doll Adventures, and Lorraine from Where Dolls Dwell. And we were doing an Easter outfit for our Makies dolls. I still only have the one. I still look every day on eBay to see if I could possibly get another Makies doll. All my Easter, I've been sewing for Easter since before St. Patrick's Day. I saved this beautiful little piece back because I thought I'm going to use that on my Makies doll. So I got it out, ready to go. It was her turn, and look, the fabric's too big for her. So I was lucky. I had, she's got goose eggs, not chicken eggs. And Darren and I get geese eggs every day, and they are about that big as compared to the hands. Not quite, but I had this fabric, which I absolutely adore. And I thought it was a really good size for my Makies doll. The lighting in here is terrible. It is storming out there. But I went ahead and I just made her a little fold over dress because Easter is here and it's going to get warmer. She's got on her little shoes that Darren makes. She's in her little stand that Darren makes. Did you make Easter stands and I forgot to get it out?
I don't remember, baby.
I don't remember either.
I've been making stands hand over fist lately.
Yeah, the last month we've been non-stop. We're getting some Happy Meals ready. In fact, for the Makies ladies and some others. This is such a wonderful, wonderful group of ladies. Please go by every channel. They'll be down in my description, and take a look at these outfits that these ladies will be creating for their Makies dolls. Plus, you sure don't want to miss their dolls and what they have to say about them. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
Happy Easter.